Hey Peter, Tom McCouber here at Mercedes-Benz Scarborough. I want to put a quick video tour together for you on this GLS 450. Since I'm not going to be here, I figured I'd walk around and show you some of the stuff that you ordered on this car. So it is black on beige like we had ordered. The beige leather interior with the 6-seater captain's chairs. We'll go through that when I open the doors. We do have Distronic package on here, so you'll see the flush star, part of the radar system that powers the Distronic system. Then we do have your 8-spoke wheels. And as we come down, I'll get you your first look inside the vehicle of that beige and aluminum trim. So the aluminum trim flows really nicely with the Burmester sound system speakers. With heated steering wheel, warmth and comfort package. Warmth and comfort package includes the rapid heated seats as well as the heated armrests, which is a really nice feature. Then I will show you the rear. Heated rear seats as well as the electronically adjustable rear seat there, and climate control controls in the rear for the rear passenger as well. As we come around to the rear of the vehicle, I will pop this open, get you an idea of what the back looks like. So this is the storage with the third row up. If you'd like to put the third row down, you just hit the buttons on the right side and they go down. And they lay flat, so you've got more storage there. In the third row, you'll notice you've got cup holders on both sides, as well as charging USB Type-C charging ports. So if you do have people back there, they can charge. The other switches back here, these two right here, will fold down your second row, and then the last switch on the right side will actually lower the rear end of the vehicle. What that is used for, if you're picking up something heavy, it's easier to get it in here if the rear end is lowered down. And then lastly, I did want to show you and confirm with you, you do have the air balance package. So if we open that glove box right there, you'll see that it does have the fragrance canister in there, giving you that nice light perfume throughout the vehicle. So that's a quick overview of the GLS 450 that you ordered. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions. 207-510-2286.